Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. I'm back with another interesting episode that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. We are preparing a pudding, or you can also call this a fruit salad, or you can also call it how you like it. You probably need a few fruits that you already have, and we have some bananas. I have an avocado that I already ate 1/4 of it. I have a beetroot for the color. I have some watermelon, and finally I have a cucumber. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is such an easy recipe that you can try out with these fruits, or you can also customize it and use the fruits that you have. I'll start off by prepping my fruits, and I'm going to simply start by chopping them up. So finally, as you've seen, it was that easy, and you have your bowl of fruits. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, try this out and you are going to love it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.